Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to add a custom font to CapCut. So initially you have to download the custom font from wherever, if you saw it on a YouTube short or a TikTok and you downloaded it, this is how you actually upload it to your CapCut. So let's get started, go into a project that we're editing, and now all we have to do is press text on the bottom menu bar and then press add text. And now what we're looking for is presets or fonts, right? We press on the font category, and then we press on add font on the bottom menu bar right there. Press add font, and then all you have to do is press this plus button. And if you downloaded the font, it's going to bring you to your files. You press it, and then it's going to upload. And all you have to do now is go to back to fonts, and you'll be able to see it in here of the fonts that you've added, and you'll be able to utilize it. So thank you guys for watching and have a great day.